How to like a game on Roblox PC or laptop. Liking games on Roblox is really helpful for other users as it can promote a game that is really good for other users. In your PC, firstly, open the Roblox app. When you open it, then you will see different games. Scroll down through the game and click on the one that you like. After opening the game, you will see details about the game. Scroll past that and go on to description. Right below the description, you will see upvotes and active. As you can see here, there is 93% of upvotes, which is 2.1 million votes. If you also want to vote, then on the right side, you will see the up button and the down button. The up button means upvote and down button means downvote. Make sure that you provide upvotes and downvotes after playing the game. Because of these votes, Roblox can recommend the game to other users. That's all for today. Thank you.